Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit about decimals. Say if I wanted to add 1.2, or 1 and 2/10, and 2.3, or 2 and 3/10. I would do the same thing as if I was adding whole numbers, add zeros when adding different places, and then I'll get my answer. I will put the decimal where it was when I was adding the numbers. So the answer is 3.5, or 3 and 5/10. Next, let's do subtraction with decimals. Say for example that I want to subtract 3.44, or 3 and 44/100ths, and 2.33, or 2 and 33/100ths. Well, I would do the same thing as if I was subtracting whole numbers. Again, we add zeros when subtracting different decimal places. We put the decimal at the same spot as it was. Now let's see what we get. The answer is 1.11, or 1 and 11/100ths. Now, let's learn how to multiply decimals. Well, we would do the same thing as if we were multiplying decimals. For example, let's multiply 2.12 by 4. First, we add up all the decimal spots, so, there are 2 decimal spots. Now, let's multiply the numbers. The answer is 8.48, or 8 and 48/100ths. Last, let's learn how to divide decimals. Say for example that I want to divide 4.5, or 4 and 5/10. Well, let's put the decimal up to the top. Now let's start dividing. The answer is 2.25, or 2 and 25/100ths. That's all about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. Thanks for learning a bit. I'll see you soon.